Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. How much money should you have in your retirement account? Planning for retirement can be daunting, but knowing how much money you need in your retirement account is the first step toward a secure future. So let's break it down and give you some simple steps to help you feel more confident about your financial future. The general rule of thumb is that between your retirement accounts and Social Security benefits, your total household income should equal at least 75% or more of your current working income. This guideline is important because it helps ensure you can maintain your current lifestyle after retirement. But how do you know if you're on track to meet that goal? Well, that's where we come in with a few easy steps. First, use our retirement income calculator. This tool helps you reverse engineer the amount of savings you'll need based on the income you want in retirement. It's super easy and a great starting point. Next, input your current retirement savings, estimated Social Security benefits, and any other sources of income into the calculator. The tool will estimate whether your savings are on track to meet that 75% income replacement goal. Think of this step as a quick reality check. Now, if your savings fall short of your goal, don't panic. You can still make adjustments by increasing your contributions, exploring better investment options, or even extending your working years. The key here is to have a clear strategy that fits your specific needs and goals. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at The Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.